Whether you're a brand new Steam user or a seasoned veteran, this video is going to serve as your fast pass to everything you need to know about the legendary Steam Winter Sale. How's it going, everybody? My name's David, aka Ghost of Mozart on social media, and today we're taking a look at the Steam Winter Sale. I had a friend build a PC recently, and I realized he's not as familiar with Steam as I am, and maybe some of you guys are in that boat. So I wanted to make this video because the winter sales, the summer sales, really all Steam sales are amazing, but Steam can be a little bit overwhelming if you don't know where to look and how to access its features right away. Everybody hears about how amazing the sales are, and they go into their first Steam sale, and chances are most people spend a lot more money than they meant to. And that can actually be avoided if you know exactly what you're looking for and you can get amazing deals. So let's dive in. First and foremost is the time frame. The Steam Winter Sale for 2020 is going on December 22nd through January 5th. That means you have plenty of time if you're watching this video as soon as I upload it. So you have plenty of time. Just watch the video, hang out with me, learn a little bit about the best way to tackle this thing, and you'll be fine. I almost choked on my own spit. I don't know if you could hear that. But secondly are the seasonal features. I feel like Steam always tries to promote something unique in their user interface, and with other clients like Epic Games and I don't know, Origin, I don't know what people use. I mainly use Steam. Steam is always trying to find ways to get people to use their platform. So let's take a look at the seasonal features this year. For 2020 specifically, as soon as you scroll down, you'll see the Steam Awards. Now you might think, okay, really, who cares about the Steam Awards? I already watched the Game Awards. I just want to get some sales, right? But what if I told you that voting in the Steam Awards can actually get you a little bit of money in your Steam account? It's true. If you click on this banner and go to vote now, there's really only 10 categories. It's not very hard, and there's only what, like 5 nominees per category? So go in here, knock it out. It takes like 2 minutes. Vote for your favorite people or who you think or what games should win. And then once you do that, you will actually find out that you're getting trading cards sent to your inventory. What you can do with these trading cards is sell them for actual Steam money that goes into your Steam wallet. And if you want to know the exact breakdown on how to do that, I have a video on my channel, which I'll link right now, but let's move on. Also for seasonal features this year, look, a bird. Enjoy a free festive bird sticker celebrating your favorite games throughout the holidays. So not many people that I know really use these, but they did kind of open up this point shop a while back. And this is just a fun way to get like little emotes and banners for your profile picture and your profile and things like that to use in chats with your friends when you're playing games with them or whatever. But I guess this, look at this, it's a random sticker. It's free. Get my sticker. I got a portal bird. Sick. So I don't know, if that's your thing, I guess that's a thing this year too. Going back to the homepage, we're gonna look a little bit at the navigation of a Steam Winter Sale. And this is gonna be a little bit longer, but once you really know how to work Steam to its best ability, you're actually gonna be able to find exactly what you want that you're actually gonna use instead of spending money on games just because it's a good deal, and then they collect dust in your Steam library. But if you scroll down, the first kind of categorical banner that you see is these featured franchises. If you're a big fan of the Batman franchises, for example, or the simulator franchises, or I guess Dead Island, I've seen the Lego franchises in here. If you're a franchise type of person, then you're definitely going to want to check out this banner, and you can kind of scroll through and go through these different franchises. Going on to the next part, they actually have it a little bit easier to browse this year, I feel like, because they base it on genre or theme. You can see casual, adventure, anime, female protagonist, horror, and you can kind of scroll through these. Open world, strategy, it just goes on and on and on. So if you're a person that just wants more games that you've never heard of, but you know exactly what kind of game you want to play, this section is for you. Moving on, this is actually personalized because Steam learns from what you play and what you buy normally. And it says, hey, based on what we've seen and what our algorithm feeds us off of your activity, these are games that players like you would enjoy. So this is definitely something that I feel like is the most useful, because even if you've never heard of a game in this section, chances are if you buy a game listed here, you're probably going to enjoy it. Moving on a little bit further down is one of the most underrated sections in the Steam user interface, during these sales that nobody really talks about. And that's the DLC section. See, eventually you get most of the games that you're going to play, and you have a pretty vast Steam library after using it for so many years. And you may not always want to be buying brand new games, but you might want to know, is there anything I can buy like DLC to enhance my games that's also on sale during these sales? And this section is absolutely amazing for that. I'm definitely not interested in these specific ones, but the point is there's usually DLC on sale that pertains to you that you might find interesting. So don't skip past this tiny little banner. Getting towards the bottom, you kind of get past that first blast of the homepage featured titles, and it tells you straight up what the top sellers are. Hey, look, it's Cyberpunk at full price. But this is just a straight up example of what is selling the most and the sale prices that they're selling for. And if you want more titles than just this display, you can come down here and see more and click on either one of these two options. If you're a bargain hunter and you just want to know what's the absolute cheapest games out there that are still good, usually this kind of bottom section is your best bet. This is the up to 75% off section or the under $10 section. And like, those are good deals. So make sure to check these out. And once again, you have these tabs. Don't just think it's only these games that are 75% off or $10. You can definitely click on this to expand your search. And then lastly are the popular new releases, and you'll see this kind of Steam footer at the very end. So this is kind of the end of the Steam winter sale, kind of the most useful parts. Once you scroll past this footer, we get into what I call the Abyss. This will go on for, I think, as long as you possibly will let it. I've never gotten to the bottom, and this is really just Steam trying to continuously feed the personal algorithm based on what you play. Hello? I think I broke it. Yep, see, it's still going. What you play and what you purchase. So you definitely can get stuck. We're out of personalized recommendations for you right now. Wow, I actually got to the bottom. I've never just like fast scrolled it like that. That's crazy. But as you can see, it's extremely long, so you can go on for a while and get lost in this. Last thing I wanted to bring up, if you have avoided spending a ton of money and you're like, you know what, none of these games are really that great of deals for me and I don't really want any of them, I would actually consider getting a digital gift card for one of your friends, because chances are it's 2020, everybody's pockets are hurting a little bit and everybody could use a little bit of extra help, especially because gamers support gamers. Consider getting a digital gift card during this sale before your friends spend a lot of money. Just a last minute gift idea to throw out there for you. But that's it. Happy shopping, everybody. And remember, don't go too crazy on Steam sales. They happen a lot, they really do. And if you want to know how to get free Steam money in your account using Steam trading cards, just watch this video that I already made for you on my channel. Let me know in the comment section below what your best Steam sale deal that you've ever gotten has been, because I know that there's been some crazy ones that people have scooped up. And if you ever want to come by and chat with me live, I stream 3 times a week on Twitch, which you can find in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.